Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this exceptional Yamaha XSR125, registered the 2nd of October 2024 on a 74 plate, presented in Yamaha Blue, and with only 1,749 miles. This stunning retro 125 was previously sold by our good selves and is packed with a punchy 15 brake horsepower and plenty of retro charm. This particular example has been lowered to 785mm and can be put back to its standard 815mm if required. This handsome motorcycle gives you a big bike feel and road presence. From the very first ride, the XSR inspires rider confidence. With ABS, variable valve timing and easy-to-read LCD display, Yamaha simply do not cut corners when it comes to finishing touches like this. The XSR125 won an MCN award, and it's very clear to see why. This superb example comes serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142 444 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359 837799. Please note, we have small £89 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.